Jai good day all. Myself Shobana. I'm here to present how to find LCM in chapter 7 factors and multiples. LCM. LCM means least common multiple. LCM of two or more given number is the smallest number which is divisible by all the given numbers. Here the few steps that helps you to find LCM. Step 1. Find prime factorization of each number. Step 2. List prime factors of each number. Step 3. Circle the prime factors that are common to the numbers. Step 4. Multiply the common factors with the non-common factors. Step 5. The product we obtain is the LCM of the given numbers. Let's move to worksheet number 10. Find the LCM of the following number. The first question is 45 and 95. Now we need to factorize 45 and 95. We'll take 45. The prime number which divides as 45 is 5. The quotient is 9. So we'll take the quotient in the next step. And again, this number 9 is divisible by the prime number 3. Once you divide, the quotient is 3, we'll take in the next step. Once you reach the prime number, we'll stop our factorization. Let's divide 95. 95 is divisible by the prime number 5. The quotient is 19, that will be in the next step. Here 19 is a prime number, so we'll stop our factorization. Express these numbers as a product of prime numbers. 45 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3. 95 is equal to 5 into 19. Now, the number which is common with the two number is 5. Circle 5. So, for one circle, we need to take one number. The common factor among this is 5. And the remaining numbers were non-common factors. The remaining number 3, 3, 19. Now, to find LCM, multiply common factor and non-common factor. Common factor is 5 and the non-common factors were 3, 3 and 19. Once you multiply, the product is 855. 855 is the LCM of 45 and 95. Move to the next question. 27 and 35. And here is the factorization of 27 and 35. And the 27 and 35, the expressions of prime factor are 3 into 3 into 3. And 35 is equal to 5 into 7. And the non-common factors here were 3, 3, 3, 5, 7. Multiply all the numbers, you will get LCM. So the product is 945. Therefore, LCM of 27 and 35 is 945. Let's move to the next question. 24 and 84. And here is the factorization of 24 and 84. Now by listing all these numbers, 24 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 84 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 7. And the common factors were 3, 2, 2. We'll list that in a common factors. And the non-common factors were 2 and 7. LCM is equal to common factors into non-common factors. Multiplying that 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7, the product is 168. Therefore, LCM of 24 and 84 is 168. And the next question is 33 and 66. The factorization of 33 and 66 are here. And 33 is equal to 3 into 11. 66 is equal to 2 into 3 into 11. And here the common factors were 3 and 11. and non-common factor is 2. So LCM is equal to common factor into non-common factor. Multiplying to that, 3 into 11 into 2, the product is 66. So the LCM of 33 and 66 is 66. I hope you had understood this LCM. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.